You know, prison have a code, but zip not you code. Like my father, me want do road. Society, let me out back on you road. Me want go. Me want go.
Alright, yes, so welcome viewers and subscribers. Bless upon yourself, hope you all doing wonderful today. Hope you all doing good, yeah man. So, if it's the first that tune to this channel, please I'm asking you to click the subscribe link. Click the bell to be notified for any brand new video from this channel. Yeah man, big up to all the regular viewers who always tune in. Yeah man, big up to everyone who tune into this one overall. Yeah, so in this one, viewers and subscribers, yo, it look like, say yo, things might go Vybz Kartel way to me. Yeah man, I'ma come for sure now why me say that. So for those who are not following up or for those who don't know what's happening, yeah man, stay tuned to that one. Yeah. We're going to break down what go on from day one, even though we do that already. But we're going to show you what go on from this to what's currently happening now. Yeah man, me I go show you why me say that. In other one here, me I go break down everything in other video. Me nah make it long. Yeah man. The 4 days will pass already. Yo, viewers, trust me, it look like Vybz Kartel I go see road. When it just a start, me I say, Jano, it look like say yo, them nana Lego Vybz Kartel, but right now, to me see viewers, I have a strong feeling that Vybz Kartel is coming home. Yeah man, I will go show you all of this in another one of viewers. So go in now.
Me want go. Listen, you can't get from a prison. And next man of your girl when you miss.
I mean, I say the man can represent for RyanmediaTv, Baddest TV. Yeah, that. Ryan Media, Bono.
Word in the street, trouble, foot, feet. If I hear the voice, I know the Prince I keep, I represent RyanmediaTV, the baddest TV out there. You see, pre, trouble.
Them dead, for the voice, I know, say, I don't really pitch, I'm representing for RyanmediaTV. That is it.
And I life, you know me represent for RyanmediaTV, the baddest TV. I'm out.
The food that shit, the bed of concrete. Sunday cleaner, I'm a damn sheet. You can't sleep dead, me I warn you. I feel roach and rat crawl upon you.
Alright then, so youths, you hear Vybz Kartel a warn, Yeah man, and recently me see a local video go around. I show the condition of the bathroom, I'm not sure which prison that was or which jail. But them I show you say, yo, the place mucky. Yeah, Cartel tell you say, yo, the place dirty like rubbish heap. Suppose you see the toilet them. Suppose you see the shower. Viewers, I'm gonna go on a preview of this before we go in at this. Youths, stay far away from crime and violence. Yeah, man.
Shower that to people, you see? Look. Shower that. I'm skeptic to be at them places and I got germs with full Someone underpants start dropping on grounds, you hear that? Entirely, real right now. Look funny.
It's chronic. It's disgusting.
Look. After years, them buy car shit pan and all. Now them not washing up. Me I tell you, See that? We have to light up this and make smoke. We kill the scent. Them hear that? I know nothing good. Yeah, we'll be upon that and plus if you use it, put it right as so. For black when a man and shit is it and nothing good. See the water take time around here. If you see that, it's around here now, you know? Yeah, see next place here. Nothing good boy here. Shower again. I see water full. Yo, don't drop your soap because you're grounds.
Alright, so yes, I'm telling the youth, stay away from crime and violence. Cause you saw them place a look? Yeah man. It never make for dog. You see me? Yeah man, so as me say, stay away from crime and violence. So we jumping at the main thing what we come to talk about differently. So me the cover what go on the first day of hearing for Vybz Kartel and them co-accused. Yeah man. In the first day as me say, yeah man, Vybz Kartel's son forward out and show them say yo, his father Art cannot bring him through a retrial. And they threw that out of the court because they were saying enough evidence wasn't there to, back that. Yeah, man, and the same first day Sean Storm, Theme Sister say, yo, Sir P spread a whole heap of allegations on him. So if persons for come even say them are gonna be jury, things where them are hear out there about them, people will just use them thing place them judgment. Yeah. But on the second day, Vybz Kartel lawyer bring his evidence for his medical report showing that his heart, basically them say him heart 50%, so you don't know you're for 100 and you're 50, so you don't know what that mean. That explain itself. That mean half of your life gone, viewers. Yeah, man. So that was accepted too on the second day because they carried evidence to prove, so yo, this is one of the reasons why them can't go through a retrial. And one of Vybz Kartel co-accused Kyra Jones, he must say the reason why he can't go through a retrial, he's saying that he went to prison from he was 27 and right now he's 40 and he doesn't have a child, he doesn't have a family, and going to a retrial will prevent him from doing that, from starting a family and from, getting little intimacy same way. Yeah, man, we can't live out that. And on the third day, though, viewers, the third day made me think like them are gonna have a retrial, because on the third day they were talking about the cost for doing retrial and that the government will be responsible for this cost. And me I say, whoa, come like them plan for no say yo, them are gonna do the retrial and them just pay for it and done. Whether or not it is successful, but to me, that me did I get from that, say yo, the government I go pay for it, cause the man them did a lick out, say yo, them don't have enough money, whereas Kyra Jones are telling us, say yo, I borrow him off for borrow money. And up to now, he's in debt because most of those persons haven't gotten back the money that he borrowed from them. And how can he repay them if he's behind bars? Yeah, viewers. So adding to that too, me have a video where me I go play with the lawyer really a talk out and me I go leave at the end of this video. But me kinda summarize everything we go on the days, man. The fourth day, me I tell you viewers, the judge put the DPP, the prosecution team, under pressure, which even when them under pressure, they confirmed that Vybz Kartel rights was violated. Yeah, man. But on the fourth day, viewers, the fourth day get hot up in the courthouse because the judge them never give it easy to the DPP, neither the prosecution team, because she touched on a couple of valid points so where me really have to look into it. Like, first thing, the judge was asking how the evidence got leaked. You see me, that are the vice note them, and you don't know a lot more evidence where the public did make aware of. And she was also saying that Vybz Kartel constitutional rights was breached, and the DPP, the prosecution team, they confirmed that his rights was breached, but it was justified. Like what? Justify and breach can't use in the same sentence. No, never. From your breach a contract, you breach a contract. There's no justifying. If you want to talk or explain, but that now go justify it. Yeah, man, viewers. But that's it for the fourth day. But today now, me I telling the viewers, the man them I show you say, yo, there's a lot of and today, the fifth day, when they were checking like some days for retrial, viewers, you have dates for retrial in Jamaica way up to 2026. Way up to 2026. And one of the main thing what the judge did say in this case is that she don't want a drawn out case, whereas because all the artists and them co-accused they get sentenced and their rights was violated because they have to wait a whole lot of time, how long before they got their guilty verdict. So, differently from that still, viewers, the timing, yeah man, even right now, the judge is saying that if this case has to be going to a retrial, the prosecution team, they have to make sure, say, yo, them have the witness pan the day, cause them not in a no more rolling out thing, or them not depend no more waiting because the man them they behind bars long time. Yeah man, that's what the judge is saying, and the lawyers that are defending Vybz Kartel and his co-accused. Yeah man, but differently still, Mr. Clark, one of the defense's lawyer, he had something to say, and me I telling the viewers, I want to listen what this man is saying, this man I make you know say, we as the poor person them, we can't go do what Vybz Kartel do if our rights get violated, because the cost of seeing the Privy Council, it's not normal. And me I go break down the cost of seeing the Privy Council in our next video. Yeah man, viewers and subscribers. But differently from this, I guess me I go left it still. Tell me on the thoughts, tell me on the think. Uno feel like all of what we are here right now, if it a go lead up to a retrial, or them a go release Vybz Kartel and his co-accused. Yeah man. Remember to follow me on the IG, RyanmediaTV. Big up on yourself, stay safe.
The justice system to hear, consider all the submissions from the appellants to make a determination at the end of the day of what the interests of justice should look like.
Did you go through all the material you intended to go through for today?
No, tomorrow we will be going specifically through most of the affidavit evidence that's already before the court, including the medical reports and the psychological reports that were done in relation to some of the appellants.
When the page lock, you have to turn it up in a them place, dirty like rubbish truck. They just a pre-back happy days memories. Where the kids, when the wife, where the Benz is, place, yeah. Make you know who your friends is, make you know the real girl them from the NCs. If you a punk, if you're not know the fences, bad man killer, without your senses, the electric fences, and the tall wall, regular messy, man down and start bad. Society, there's a nearby you can't go. Every day something does a praise, and me want go. Me want go.
And just when you mentioned
Me want go.
poor Jamaicans who may face a
Me want go.
Could you say some more about what inspires Jamaica?
You can't get
Well,
home
there
from
are
a prison.
other
And next
like
one of your
Barbados.
girl when you're missing. Still far from war that a copper and length. You can't get
comes the
when
time
lock
when
down
the
for 23 hours.
fully
1
try
hour split up in a 2 hour. 15 for food and 15 for shower. Couple hours later, the next 30 minutes is 15 for wash
and
down
we're
the clothes
saying
if you got none. 15 for look small,
fair that
15
all
for lock
Jamaicans
down.
can
You talk no back up.
understand
In a them place,
that
you
perhaps
get a
after
jam and
8
stop.
years after
The medical away for you.
so long,
The victims are render. Why the fuck up the
that kind
offender?
of
So
ordeal
who are the real winner? Long time me don't eat a real dinner. Me in a fuck up some smuggle some rum through the steel window just to get me appetite happy right. You know, prison of
alacrity, because persons are being affected by our decision, and ultimately we do not want that to happen. And ultimately, for any well-meaning, well-thinking Jamaican, would all want a situation in which the guilty are convicted and remain convicted, and the innocent walk free. But if we have a system whereby it's taking so long, ultimately what we'll have is that scenarios may happen whereby the guilty are walking because our system realizes that we don't have to do nothing today. We don't have to collect a witness statement today. We can do it tomorrow, and eventually it takes too long, persons become disinterested, and we have a country which is ridden with crime.
So is it fair to say the arguments you made today were not just centered around your immediate clients, but for future Jamaicans who may find themselves in a similar situation?
It was centered around the ordeal that they suffer, but we are also recognizing that if the court say can happen to Kartel, it can happen to other Jamaican citizens, including the poorest of us. So what it means is that if a Jamaican is in custody for 13 years and then he comes and says, my money is done, I'd have next month to find a next lawyer, and I'm worried that the system won't give me justice, it means that in such a scenario he may very well, if a president is set one way or the other, may feel aggrieved, and we're asking the powerful court to examine our arguments and in light of all the facts of this case, do what they think is just. And that's what they'll ultimately do, even if we never ask them.
Sir Clark, at the beginning of your presentation, you mentioned something about when the trial is granted, the defense would put forward for the accused to be tried separately. Clarify what was meant, if that's exactly what you said.
No, we're not saying that the accused should be tried separately. That's not what we're saying. What we're saying at its core is that we want the court to examine the special facts of this case, which the court knows, and then for each of the appellants, examine what are the factors against each to decide whether or not they're going to order the trial in the case. And so all we're asking the court to do is examine the facts of each appellant coming to a decision as to what is just.
And you notice that once that is done, may find that the conclusion for each of them will be different.
Now, what we said at the beginning, and to be quite clear, is that we are of the view that the line in the stand is supposed to be the main point, being that for all of the appellants, it is unjust in
One thought. In our shells, we are talking, and we are representing for the baddest flagger.